How to create video ads easily in video tutorial. Are you tired of wasting time and money on ineffective video ads? Do you want to learn how to create video ads quickly, easily, and efficiently? InVideo's tutorial is the perfect solution to help you create stunning, high-converting video ads in just a few clicks. So let's get into it. Once you log into your InVideo, this is where you will land. On your dashboard, you will get the template option, text to video, stock media, and editor. We can go to the template section, or we can actually go to the editor to get started with our ad. Here in the templates, you will be able to find a lot of different options, and you can search for video ads and it will show you the best results. InVideo has a lot of different templates for us, so we can actually edit a template, or we can start from the scratch and use a template as an inspiration. Now, it depends on what category of ad you are looking for. Well, I am looking to create an ad for my beauty campaign that I'm running for my store. So I think this one actually right here looks pretty good. We can even customize our search with the aspect ratio of landscape, square, and portrait. So I'm actually looking for landscape, and the type is going to be ads. So now it will show me the best results. For my campaign, I think this one looks perfect. So let's edit it out. Once you select a template, it will show you the ad and you can see it looks amazing. You don't have to worry about the uniqueness because we can customize it completely and it will align with your brand. So now we'll select use template. So this is our editor on InVideo. You can see at this side of the screen we have upload, where I can upload my media. Then we have videos that will give me the videos to choose from. This is the stock media right here. Then we have images. So if you want to check out the images, and then we have music, text, logo, elements, and templates. So we can use all of these different elements to add to our ads right here. This is our editing. You can see at the bottom here, it's showing me my scenes. The total scenes that we have are 7, and each scene is round about 4 seconds, and the total duration is 29 seconds. This is the total duration, and this is the seek duration here. We can even add a voiceover and even add more scenes. For me, I think 7 scenes are enough, and we can even delete a scene if we want to, or duplicate. So this is the first scene here, and we can customize it. First, you can go to the upload section, and in your photos or videos, you will upload your media. I will quickly go ahead and upload my media here. So I have uploaded all of the media that I need. These are all of the different, pictures that we have for our beauty campaign. So now the first thing that I would like to do is I will actually change the main images that we have. So it becomes really easy with InVideo that I can replace these images. So for me, I will be selecting this image right here, and we can drag and drop it right here in place of the other. So we can actually add it as a layer or replace. So I will be replacing the images simply, and you can see now the image is updated. It's the image from my beauty campaign. Now I want to add this image, so it's going to be similar. I will place it right here, click on replace, and there you go. Now it's my images right here, and it looks amazing. So the first is this, and then we have a text. We need to change the text, of course, on our first page. So editing a text is really easy. I'm actually gonna get rid of this text right here at the top. So we'll click on the edit section, and we will change our text. For me, we are launching new products, so I will write new, and then we're gonna go for this text and edit it out like this. So you can see now it says this. If I want to change the font of the text, we can do that. So go to the fonts right here and change it. If you have any text or font that you go for, then you can select that one really easily. So this is my first page, and I can of course customize it. Let's say the background. So you can see the background is this gray. If I want to change the color, so we can add a full color to it and change it, and I'm gonna do that. So for me, I will be going for this color. So this is my first scene and you can see it looks amazing. I customized it completely and now it's showing me my campaign, my ad. Now we have the second page. So again, what I will do is I'm going to actually go to my upload section now and I'm going to replace this image too. In this image, I want to add my product image. So I will replace it and click on replace. It's a little bit up, so I'm going to actually crop it a little bit so it's perfect now. Again, I can customize it and I will customize the text first. Click on the edit option. Okay, so for now, I will just write the word skincare here and I'm gonna actually work on the spacing because it's too far away. So let me actually customize the spacing a little bit, the line spacing, and there you go. Perfect. I want to change the background a little bit. So we'll change the color of the background. So it looks pretty good now. Perfect. And now we have our third scene and I'll do the same thing. I'll customize the image and the text. So I have customized all of the image and the text and you can see this is what it looks like, and I also changed the background colors, so it changed the whole theme of my ad. So now it does not look like a template anymore, it's completely customized. Now we can move on to the music part. So you can go to the stock audio right here, or you can go to the music and you can search for any kind of music. For my ad, I'm just gonna go for a playful music, or maybe we can go for a simple tone. So once you've added the music too, you can play your ad and it will look amazing, the ad that you had in mind. We can also create a loop. So if you want to play your ad again, you can just turn on the loop option. We have trim option, volume, fade, and duplicate. So this is for the music here. You can also zoom in and zoom out here. All of the elements will be shown here, and we can also add more text, logos. You can also work from the scratch, add different elements. You can go to the element section and it will allow you to add shapes and stickers. You can add overlays, you can add mask and more. Once you're done, you can preview your video that we just created with InVideo. This is exactly the ad that I had in my mind, and InVideo can actually turn our dreams into reality. You can create ads like this in seconds, and if you are still figuring out how to get right here, so you can actually use the link given in the description down below, then you will directly go to InVideo and you can sign up for free and create ads like this. If you have any question, let us know in the comments down below. Also, if this video was a value to you, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and you can check out the other video on our channel, which is Pictory versus InVideo, which is the best online AI video editor.